Hello my dear student, lecture number 4, chapter number 6, statistics. Now in this lecture I am going to explain you some term related to median for group data. Median for group data. Now this is a formula. Median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus Cf upon F into H. Okay, where L is equal to lower class limit of median class, n is equal to sigma Fi, means sum of all frequencies, Cf is equal to the frequency of the class preceding the median class. CF means cumulative frequency. Okay, so here you have to find cumulative frequency. So CF is cumulative frequency. In this case, CF is equal to the frequency of the class preceding the median class. F is equal to frequency of median class, and H is equal to class interval of the median class. Okay, now in this case you have to remember formula. Okay, now I will explain you by taking some examples from practice set 6.2, page number 145. Question number 1. The following table shows classification of number of workers and the number of hours they work in a software company. Find the median of the number of hours they work. Okay, now here the frequency distribution table is given. Daily number of hours 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14 and 14 to 16, and number of workers, that is frequency 150, 500, 300 and 50 given. Now try to understand solution. Now first you prepare table. In statistic it is what tabular forms are there, so you should know the preparation of table. Okay, so all this you remember. Now in this case first you prepare your table. So write down classes, class, daily number of hours, that is 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14 and 14 to 16 hours. Then frequency is given 150, 500, 300, 50. Cumulative frequency is equal to this. Cumulative frequency less than. There are two types of cumulative frequencies. One is less than and one is more than. So here you find the cumulative frequency less than. For median, this you remember. Cumulative frequency less than. How you find this? First you write down your first frequency 150. Then this plus this is equal to 650. Then 650 plus 300 is equal to 950, and 950 plus 50 is equal to 1000, and this 1000 is your n. Okay, so if you add this you will get 1000. Here also you will get what? 1000. Okay, so n is equal to 1000 here, and therefore n upon 2 is equal to 500. So first you find what? N, and then find n upon 2, and by means of this you decide which is the median class. Okay, so n upon 2 is equal to 500. So this 500 lies between 150 and 650, and therefore this 650, this is what your median class. So what is your median class? 10, 12 is a median class, and now related frequency is 500, that is F, and cumulative frequency is what this. The cumulative frequency is what? CF is what? The frequency, cumulative frequency of preceding class. So this is what your median class, and this is what preceding class, and therefore this is what your CF. So in this value you substitute in formula and get your answer. So now n is equal to 1000, therefore n upon 2 is equal to 500, and therefore median class is equal to this 10, 12. Now median class is equal to 10, 12, and therefore L is equal to lower limit of this class, that is 10, and the class interval, that means difference between these two, is equal to 2, that is h. So you know L, you know h, you know CF, and you know F. Substitute in formula so that you will get answer. Okay. Now therefore median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into h. L is equal to 10 plus 500 minus 150 upon 500 into 2 is equal to 10 plus, this is equal to 350 into 2 upon 500. Simplify this, you will get 14 upon 10. So that is 1.4. So 10 plus 1.4 is equal to 11.4, and hence median of the number of hours is equal to 11.4 hours. Okay, so this is a central tendency. If you find mean of this data now, then approximately it is equal to this. Okay, so very minor difference may be there. Okay, question number 2. The frequency distribution table shows the number of mango trees in a grove and their yield of mangoes. Find the median of data. So now here the frequency distribution table is given, number of mangoes, number of trees, 50 to 100, 100, 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300, and these are frequencies given 33, 30, 90, 80, 70. Now try to understand solution. Find median of given data. Solution. So first what you prepare your table, classes, number of mangoes x, frequency f, cumulative frequency less than, and then find CF, F, and median class. Okay, now class 50, 100, 100, 150, 150, 200, 200, 250, 250, 300. Now then first find what n is equal to cumulative frequency find. Afterward getting this you will get n. So cumulative frequency, first you write down 33 as it is, then 33 plus 30, 63, 63 plus 90, 153, 153 plus 80, 233, 233 plus 17 gives you 250. So your n is equal to 250. Now n is equal to 250, therefore n upon 2 is equal to 125, and 125 lies between 63 and 153, and therefore this is your median class. Okay, so median class is what? 150 to 100. So and therefore median class is 150 dash or 200, and therefore L is equal to 150 and H is equal to difference between these two, that is 50. CF is equal to 63 and F is equal to 90. And now use formula median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. So 150 plus 125 minus 63 upon 90 into 50 gives you 150 plus 62 upon 90 into 50. These two zeros get cancelled, and then simplify this. So 150 plus 310 upon 9 is equal to 150 plus 34.4 is equal to 189.44. So approximately it is 184 mango. So this is the median of given data. Okay. Now go through this video again, and in this case remember tables are very important. So prepare this table by frequency distribution, and then you find the related terms, substitute in formula and get answer. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you, please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.